Hello everyone. Alright, it's been a while since I've done a video. Took the camper camping. It did awesome. Did discover a few little things that I want to change. I've got to finish doing my tanks. That's what this little area right here is for. So that will be my gray water tank. And then this side will be my freshwater tank. But it did really well. Sleeps really nice. It's nice and quiet in here. I've got my sink. Got to get my water hooked up. Use that small solar panel to charge a little bit. Didn't really do a whole lot. Gave me a little bit of power. My fan that I put in the window did really well. I take this glass out and put my fan inside of it. Where's my fan? There it is. My fan. So that gets put in there. I got some bungees that hold it. There's the bungees. Put that in there. And then I just crack the windows. Get a little bit of cross breeze in here. It's really comfortable. So I still have to build my air conditioner and get my composting toilet and my refrigerator built down here. So, but yeah, it did really well on it. I'm really pleased with it. So you see my lights up here. The door makes the door look really cool. So I can turn these off individually if I want to. There's a light for this one. So, but I do have a switch up on the control panel that I can control these lights, turn them off. So if I get into bed, I can leave these on and then I can turn them off over there. And then let's see, which one is it? I don't remember which one it is. It's that one. And there's my lights for my overhead there. And then I have a dimmer on this one that I can turn that light on. And I do have a USB charger there. So turn those off, and I will put a fan control in that one. And this one, so I'll have to decide what I want to do with those openings, whether to just make a little cubby hole with a door on it or just put little shelves inside. So alright, so I got a little bit more work to do on it. I'll do a video. I do have my battery that I ordered that I didn't get in time before I went camping. I got to install that and get my solar panels and my solar controller in here. So, but I do have something else I'm working on, and we'll go to the garage and I'll show you that. All right, here's my next project. So I'm currently working on it. I'm not going to do a whole lot of video on this one. This one I just don't have time. Just throw on the side because I do have some time right now. I will post some pictures, and I will probably post a couple of videos of the process of making the inside of this. There is part of it right there. That's actually a seat. And here is some more parts. I'm not going to use all these. Probably just use one or two of these maybe. But if you guys have watched my videos, I have mentioned what I will be building, and it is a velomobile. I did post another video of the first velo I built. That's the yellow, and then you can check it inside in the videos. This one is a cooler design, and I don't think I'll post a picture of it. I think this one's going to be a surprise. So you guys can check back and watch the videos as I post them when I have time. So this one's pretty cool, and try and get this one done pretty quick. I'm hopefully get this done in a couple of months. So, all right, catch you in the next one, guys. Later.